This quick guide is designed to help you connect to your Microsoft 365 and Satchel One outside of school. You'll need to know your NKS username and password, of course. To get started, head over to the NKS website, hit Portals up on the top right, and then Parents and Students. This will take you to the same page of links you'll see when you access the browser in school. Notice the Video Guides button, which is where this video can be found alongside lots of other quick guides on our YouTube playlist. Below that are icons for Arbor, Microsoft 365 and Satchel One. We won't show accessing Arbor in this video, but to do this you just need to hit the link, select Forgot Password and then provide your school email address. You'll get an email with a link to set your Arbor password. Your parents can do exactly the same to access their parental account. If you select the Microsoft 365 icon, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account, so click Sign In on the office.com page. Enter your username and then complete this into your email address by adding an @ symbol and then nks.kent.sch.uk. Now you might find that complicated, but this is our domain name, our web address. So you can remind yourself of what this is from the address bar on the browser when you're on our school website. Once your email address is entered, the login will show very clearly that it knows you're signing into NKS, and you can now provide your password. This is your school network account password, and it's at this point that you'll be asked to provide your code from the Authenticator app. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll be prompted to do that next. Select I want to set up a different method and make sure you select Authenticator app in the drop down and click Next to view the QR code. This one's been blurred for security. Meanwhile, using your own iPhone or Android device or your parent's device, find the Microsoft Authenticator app with this logo in the App Store or the Google Play Store and open it. Select Scan a QR code, give access to your camera and scan the code. Once scanned, a number should appear on your screen and you'll be able to type that number on the phone app. Once that's entered, your accounts will be linked. This only needs to be done once, and the first time you sign in on a new device outside of school, you'll be asked for that number. Confirm that you want your device to stay logged in and Microsoft 365 should appear. You can then browse through and use the apps. Outlook on the left for email, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. See our separate Office 365 quick guide. Now you're signed into Microsoft 365, you can drop back to the portal and click the Satchel One link. The username and password on this login page is actually for parents. If you're a student or a member of staff at the school, Microsoft check who you say you are for Satchel. So just click the Sign In with Office 365 button. This will quickly check your Microsoft account, and because you're already signed in, it'll automatically sign you into Satchel One. On Satchel One, you'll see all the homework set by staff in the order of when they're due. Clicking on a homework will reveal the details of that task. There will be links and possibly additional documents like PowerPoint presentations, sometimes attached to the bottom of the description. You may find some homeworks have a Submit section. This one doesn't. That allows you to type text or submit homework via an upload. All tasks have a Results section, and you can use this to ask your teacher a private question about the homework. There's also a Global Discussion section for each homework. This is a public area to ask a question. Be careful, everyone in your class will see your question, so never say anything private in this area. The good thing is that when a teacher does answer a question in the discussion, everyone will see the advice, which avoids two students asking the same question. When you've completed a homework, you can press the square on the right to mark that task as done. It'll disappear from your list. If you want to see the homeworks you have done, unselect the button at the top that hides completed homeworks. This will also allow you to change your mind. You can put a homework back into the to-do pile. So make sure you can confidently access these things on your devices. On mobile, all phones have access to Outlook, for example, for email, Microsoft 365 app for viewing and editing documents, and a Satchel One app for homework. So why not download those to your device and make it super easy for you to be able to access your stuff from home. Thank you very much for watching. Have a look at the other quick guides if you finish this one.